Hello everyone, this is Nintendo Mini SS41. Welcome you back to another C++ tutorial. I've already written out all the code I'm going to be showing you here today. So I'm going to be just showing you integers, floats, characters, strings, how to manipulate them, and how to print them to the screen, how to go through loops, how to do a while loop, and pretty much everything like that. Sorry about there, okay? So first of all, we include our IOStream header just so we can use cout. And we use the namespace standard so we can actually use cout in the end line. So what I'm going to be showing you right now is the integer. Integers are basically numbers. I defined an integer number just like you see in this video screen here. And basically you just type int number and equals and set the value to the number. You can also do an int number without the equals or number. Just put a semicolon at the end of it, and it'll just show, just have an empty integer value. And basically, integer is usually a full number as the value. Floats are basically decimals. See, I have float decimal equals 0.01. Floats are usually a decimal value, pretty much. Okay, character is, I put as letter L, and basically, if you assign a character, you'll have to use single quotes. It's usually a letter or a symbol or a number. A character is usually a single letter or symbol or a number, pretty much. I have string. A string is basically a multi-letter character, but you use double quotes instead. You assign it to it the same way. A string is usually a group of characters, pretty much. Now in our int main function, which is basically the entry point, I'll show you how to increase the value of number, pretty much, and see here decrease the value of number by 1. That's this very important there, by 1. Now number plus equals 5 and number minus equals 5 is you increase it by 5. Decrease or increase by 5. See? Increase the value of number by your desired amount. So you can replace 5 by 2 with any number you want. And basically it's the same thing here. Decrease the value of number by your desired amount. You can replace the number 5 there with any number you want. And to assign to a variable, you just assign 5 to number, pretty much. And you can do this the same thing with decimals, only it's usually a decimal. Assign 0.05 to decimal. And it's usually any number you want. Now basically I'm gonna clean this up a little bit here. I'm gonna go ahead and break this a little bit, break it up a little bit. That way it's easier for you to read and easier for me to comment on. So basically what this does here, you've seen cout in the old video, the previous video, but basically hello there is the variable hello up at the top. It takes the value of that variable and puts it into cout. So print the value of hello. Now here is basically what it says there. It just prints out the string number equals. And there, you see, print out the value of number. Pretty much. It's the same thing with decimal. Print out the value of decimal. Pretty much. Same thing right here. Print out the value of letter L. Pretty much the same thing. And in line, basically, make a new line. Pretty much. Now for for loops, I'm going to show you a for loop next. Basically what this is, you see integer I equals 0. That's basically assigns I as a value of 0, as a number. And now here's a complicated one. I is less than or equal to 10. Less than or equal to is a comparing operator. Like, it's basically telling you if I is less than or equal to the number you put in there. Remember, I plus plus, that just increases the value. So basically what this does is assigns the value 0 to the I, letter I, variable I pretty much, and it checks if the if it's lower than 10 or lower or equal to 10. And if it's not, it increases the value of I by 1 at the end of the loop. Now inside your loop, if you print out the value, the value of I, it will change every time the loop goes through. That's pretty simple. And that's pretty much how you do that. So I assigned a new variable called J and put it as number 10. Now here's where it gets a little bit cool. While loops, you just check one value. If J is less than or equal to 10, you pretty much decrease the value of J. That's basically what that does. Cout J and L, it basically prints out J. It changes every time because we decrease J in the first part. Now, while loop does not automatically decrease your value or increase your value. For loops are what do that. You can change the operator of here to even a plus equals or minus equals, but you don't. But usually, what I do when a for loop is I do plus plus. So press out J, and see here, this is an if statement. If J equals 0, equals means is equal to. If J equals 0, break. The break command ends a loop immediately, and that just ends the if statement right there. So that's basically how that works. Let's go ahead and run this application and show you what the output is. You might be surprised. It's exactly as I said it would be. Let's go ahead and run it. You see how that just scroll down like that? You see here, hello world, number equals 5, decimal equals 0.05, and letter L equals L. That's basically what we printed up here in this cout statement here. Then the for loop occurs. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just basically how I said. And I equals 0, I is less than or equal to 10, and I plus plus. See? It says signs I to 0. It prints out I. Then every time it is lower than or equal to 10, it increases the value of I, and it prints out the next number. And it ends off whenever I reaches this statement right here. This is the ending parameter. Now basically I said J to 10 in the while loop. While J is less than or equal to 10. See, it starts out 9. I put J minus minus at first, so it just starts out 9. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Basically, it lowers it by 1 for J minus minus. It prints out J, and then if, an if statement. See there? If J equals 0, break. And see, it did break. It did end the loop. So there you go. That's basically what I have to say there. I hope you learned something. I hope I explained it in a good way. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, everyone.